so your a31 which is equals to 178. We got that a31 is equals to 178. Okay, next we move to the next problem. So that is an AP consists of 50 terms, of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So first what we should do, we should write what and all they given. So what and all they given, first you write that. So here AP consists of 50 terms, so therefore n is equals to 50, and here A3 which is equals to 12. So A3 is equals to 12 and AN is equals to 106. AN is equals to 106. Why? Because they given a last term is 106 and we need to find A29, that is 29th term. So therefore we can write here A50 last term. So A50 n is equal to 50 terms. So you can write here A50 is equals to 106. So then A3 we can write as A plus 2D which is equals to 12, and A50 we can write as A plus 49D which is equals to 106 they give. So now simplify this. So if you simplify this, 49 minus 49 plus 2, so you'll get minus 47D. So here minus 106 and 12, so it is minus 94. So here minus and minus get cancelled. So therefore D is equals to 94 divided by 47. So therefore D is equals to, we got D value is 2. Okay, so we got D value 2. So we need to find A value now. So how to find A value? So just you can take this A3. So that A3, that is A plus 2D is equals to 12. So here A plus 2 into 2 which is equals to 12. So here A is equals to 12 minus 4. A is equals to 12 minus 4. So therefore A is equals to 8. So therefore A is equals to 8. Okay, so you got A is equals to 8 and we need to find A29 term. 29 term we need to find. So here A29 is equals to, we can write here A plus 28D. So here A is 8 plus 28 into D value is 2. So which is equals to 8 plus 28 into 2 is 28 into 2 is 56. So therefore 56 plus 8 is 64. It is 64. So 829 which is equals to 64. Okay, so this is the 29th A29 term. I hope all of you understood. Yes, we'll move for next problem. Okay, we need to find here if the third term and ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 3 minus 8 respectively, which term of an AP is 0? Okay, so what they given? Third term, that is A3 which is equals to 4 and A9 is equals to minus 8. If third term and ninth term of an AP is 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of an AP is 0? That is AN, which term is 0? AN, for which term, for which n value AN becomes 0. Okay, we'll do this aside, I mean we'll keep it aside and we'll do it later. First we'll find from this A and D. So we know how to find A and D. So therefore A3 is A plus 2D is equals to 4, and here A9, so you can write here A plus 8D is equals to minus 8, isn't? So now simplify this. So you can write here minus and here also minus and here plus. So here plus 8 minus 8 get cancelled. So then here what you are going to get? So minus 6D. Why? Because minus 8 plus 2 minus 6D is equals to 12. So therefore D is equals to minus 2. Why? How it is? So 12 divided by 6, 12 divided by minus 6, 12 ones are 6 ones are 6, 6 2s are 12. Okay, so now we need to find A. So we know that A plus 2D which is equals to 4. Okay, what is A value? We need to find A value. So A plus 2 into what is that? Minus 2 which is equals to 4. Okay, so here A 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 is equals to 4. So therefore a is equals to 4 plus 4. So therefore a is equals to 8. So we got that a is equals to 8. Now we got a and d. So we need to find an. So we have to find for which value an becomes 0. So we know that formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. So we need to find here what is n when an is equal to 0. So where an is 0, so which is equals to 8 plus n minus 1 into d value is minus 2. Simplify, minus 8 is equals to minus 2n plus 2, and transpose this side. Minus 8 minus 2 is equals to minus 2n. Okay, minus 8 minus 2 is minus 10, which is equals to minus 2n. Minus minus get cancelled, so 10 divided by 2 is equals to n. Therefore n is equals to 5. Therefore n is equals to 5 for the fifth term. That what is that? For the fifth term the ap is 0. For the fifth term the ap is 0. Okay, is it clear? Yes, we'll go for next problem. So the next problem, the 17th term of an AP exceed its 10th term by 7. Okay, find the common difference. So here this type of problem is also important. So it is little twisted. Okay, what they given? 17th term of an AP exceeds the 10th term by 7. So we need to convert this to the mathematical form. 17 term of an AP. So 17 term of an AP is A17 is equals to 17 term of an AP exceeds 10th term by 7. 10th term is A10 plus 7. This is the equation. Exceeds in the sense adding, increasing. So what is increasing? 10th term. How much it is increasing? By 7. So therefore A10 is equals to A10 plus 7 is equal to A17. Now simplify and you need to find a common difference. Common difference is nothing but common difference, that is D you need to find. So therefore A17 is A plus 16D, which is equals to here A10 A plus 9D is equals to 7. Okay, now simplify this. So here a and a get cancels, so therefore 16d minus 9d is equals to 7. What is 16 minus 9? 16 minus 9 is nothing but 7, which is 7d, which is equals to 7. Therefore d is equals to 7 by 7. So d is equals to 1. D is equals to 1. I hope all of you understood. Okay, we'll go for next problem. Okay, now here, which term of an AP 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term? 132 more than its 54th term. Now what we should do, we should convert this to the mathematical form. So once you convert to the mathematical form, then it is very easy for us to simplify this. Okay, first you write what and all they given. So they gave you a. So they given here a is equals to 3. Okay, so a they gave. So then you need to find d which is equals to a2 minus a1. a2 minus a1. So what is a2? That is 15 minus 3. So therefore d is equals to 12. So they gave here d is equals to 12, a is equals to 3. So now we convert this to the mathematical form. So which term of an AP, which term they asked it. So which term in the sense, so here what is an when will be 132 more than 54 term. 54 term is a54 plus 132. So we need to convert this to mathematical form. So which term they asked it. So I taken here an. So an is equals to 132 more than 54 term. So you can write like this. Now you can write here an. We know what is an. So a plus n minus 1 into d, isn't? So which is equal to next a54. So what is a54? So a plus 53d plus 132. So then simplify this. So how to simplify? So now here a and a get cancels. Okay, so then simplify it, and we know what is d. We know what is d. So therefore here n minus 1 into d value is, what is that, 12, which is equals to 53 into 12 plus 132. Now simplify this. If we simplify this, what you'll get, n minus 1 which is equals to 636, that is 53 into 12 is 636 plus 132 divided by 12. So now simplify, n minus 1 is equals to 633 plus 132. What are you going to get? 768. 768 divided by 12. If we do 768 divided by 12, what are you going to get? So n minus 1, which is equals to 64. So then n is equals to 64 plus 1. So here n is equals to 65. Our n value is 65. So therefore the n is the 65. Which term? That is 65th term is 132 more than the 54th term. Let us verify it once. Yes, we'll do it. So what is a65? We'll find a65 is nothing but a plus 64d, right? So we know what is a is nothing but 3, then plus 64 into what is d is nothing but 12. So simplify this. So 3 plus 64 into 12. So what you'll get? 768. So 768 plus 3, so which is equals to 771. So here a65, which is equals to 771. So now what is that, 54 term? So what you're going to get 54 term? Let's see that what is 54 term also. So a54, which is equals to now see here a54 is equal to a plus 53d. So therefore a 3 plus 53 into 12, so 3 plus 636. So if you multiply, you get 636. If you add that, 639. So therefore a65 minus a54 is 132. So this is a verification part. Actually there is no need to do this. If you want, you can write in a side in a classwork, but no need to. In the examination they will not ask you to solve this. Simplify this. Okay. Okay, so now we'll do the last problem and we'll see the remaining problems in the next class. Okay, so we'll do the last problem in this. Okay, yeah, they gave that two APs have a same common difference. Two APs have a same common difference. The first, the difference between their 100 term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000 term? What is the difference between the 1000 term? So now what we can do here, let two APs they given. So let the first term of the AP is, so let the first term of the first AP, let the first term of the first AP be A. So we can write like this, let the first term of the first AP be A, and common difference CD I wrote here, common difference is equal to D, and even the first term of the second AP be small a. Okay, so then the common difference is D. Why? Because common difference is same in all the cases. The difference between their 100 term is 100. Okay, difference between their 100 term is 100. Now what we can do, we'll find a difference between the 100 term. So they given that the difference between their 100 term is 100, that is a100 minus a100 is equal to 100. So what is a100? So you can write here, so that is a plus 99d minus a plus 99d is equal to 100. Now simplify this, a plus 99d minus a minus 99d is equals to 100. Okay, so here plus 99 minus 99 get cancelled, so a minus a is equals to 100. So therefore the difference between their 100 term is 100. Okay. Now we'll find the difference between the 1000 term. So here a 1000 minus a 1000. So simplify this. So what will get? A plus 999d minus a plus 999d. Simplify this. A plus, so here we got that a minus a. So we know that what is a minus a? A minus a is nothing but 100. So therefore the difference between 1000 term is also, so what is the difference between 1000 term? So therefore the difference between the 1000 term also 100. So the difference between 1000 term also 100. So therefore the difference between the 1000 term is also 100. Okay, so the difference between 1000 term is also 100. I hope all of you understood. Okay, now do one thing. So copy all these problems what we done today from the problem number 6 to problem number 12 in the classwork. Okay, I hope all of you will do this. Okay, we will see in the next video. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.